19 things you might not know you could be punished for in Singapore. 1. No chewing gum. Chewing gum has been banned in Singapore since 1992 to prevent litter and damage to public property, like subway doors and elevator buttons. Since 2004, therapeutic dental and nicotine gum can be bought from a doctor or pharmacist. Chewing gum is allowed, but importing and selling it is illegal, except for these exceptions. 2. Don't use or bring drugs. Using or bringing drugs into Singapore is strictly illegal. Possession or trafficking can lead to severe penalties, including the death penalty. 3. No smoking in public areas. Smoking isn't allowed in many public places, such as hawker centers, bus stops, and parks. Use designated smoking spots. 4. No food or drink on public transport. Eating or drinking on buses and trains is not allowed and can lead to fines, particularly for durian. 5. Not returning your tray in hawker centers. In many hawker centers, you should clear your tray and any leftover tissue or rubbish from the table after eating. This helps keep the place clean and is encouraged by the authorities. 6. No public nudity. Appearing naked in public view is illegal, even if you do it at home. Real example, a Singapore resident was fined for walking naked around their apartment with uncovered windows, as neighbors could see inside. This highlights the law's focus on maintaining public decency and privacy even within private homes. 7. No counterfeit goods or no fake goods. Selling counterfeit items is punishable by fines up to $100,000 and/or jailed for up to 5 years due to the serious legal and safety risks associated with fake products. 8. Don't feed pigeons. This regulation is in place to prevent health risks associated with pigeons, such as the spread of diseases and the accumulation of waste, which can create unhygienic conditions in public spaces. 9. No jaywalking. Jaywalking, not using a crossing within 50 m, is an offense. In 2019, traffic police detected about 2,500 jaywalking violations, and there were 59 fatal traffic accidents involving jaywalkers. The composition sum for this offense was raised from $20 to $50 on the 1st of April 2019. In 2023, jaywalking incidents in Singapore rose by 21%, with 161 accidents reported in the first half of the year. About 30% involved elderly pedestrians. 10. No littering. In 2023, around 18,600 tickets were issued for littering, down from over 20,000 in 2022. The NEA uses CCTV in frequent patrols at littering hotspots. 11. No vaping. Vaping is illegal in Singapore. The sale, possession, and use of e-cigarettes and other vaping devices are prohibited to protect public health and prevent nicotine addiction. 12. Spitting. To maintain a hygienic environment, spitting in the public compounds is prohibited. This regulation helps prevent the spread of diseases and keeps public spaces sanitary for everyone. 13. Arms ammunitions. The possession of arm or ammunition requires authorization from the licensing division of the Singapore Police Force. Any person who is in unlawful possession of any arm or ammunition shall be guilty of an offense and shall on conviction be punished with imprisonment for a term of not less than 5 years and not more than 10 years, and shall also be punished with caning with not less than 6 strokes. Anyone entering Singapore is to ensure no possession of any prohibited, controlled items upon arrival. 14. No smoking. Under 21, as of January 1st, 2021, you must be at least 21 years old to smoke in Singapore. The minimum age was gradually increased from 18 to 21 between 2018 and 2021 to reduce smoking among youth. 15. Connecting to another user's Wi-Fi. In Singapore, connecting to another person's Wi-Fi network without permission is considered hacking under the Computer Misuse and Cybersecurity Act. The law is designed to protect individuals' privacy and secure their digital networks, ensuring that unauthorized access to private Wi-Fi networks is deterred and prosecuted. 16. Graffiti. In Singapore, vandalism can get you both arrested and caned. Singapore's vandalism laws first shocked the media in 1994 after an American teenager received a caning as punishment for destroying cars and public property. During that year, 2 men visiting the country also faced prison time and caning for painting graffiti on a public train. 17. taking drugs before you enter Singapore. In certain cases, if the amount of the drug is high enough, the punishment can even be a death penalty. Singapore officials have the right to conduct anonymous drug tests without a warrant, so any drugs taken before you enter the country can still put you at risk. 18. Flying a kite that interferes with public traffic. Flying a kite or engaging in any game that interferes with public traffic on roads or air is prohibited in Singapore to ensure the safety and smooth flow of traffic. The regulation aims to prevent accidents and maintain order by avoiding activities that could distract air traffic or endanger drivers and pedestrians. 19. Annoying someone with a musical instrument. If one is playing an instrument in a public space in a manner that's likely to cause annoyance to everyone else, the guilty party can be fined up to $1,000 or imprisoned for up to 3 months. This also applies to anyone singing lyrics that contain swear words. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Save travels.